प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, नवांकुर डिजी लेसन्स में आपका स्वागत है। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी लेसन 3, जर्नी टू द एंड ऑफ द अर्थ, written by Tishani Doshi. Journey to the end of the earth summary will help you learn all about this travelogue in detail. This travelogue is about the author's experience when she goes on a journey to Antarctica. The author is Tishani Doshi. The journey of Antarctica commences on the Russian vehicle Geoff Green was leading it. Moreover, Geoff Green is the one who takes interest in taking student on educational trip. Through this helps them discover the end of the earth. Thus, over here, the author went to Antarctica for educational purpose as well as learns more about the place. This study tour turns out to be very insightful as students learn about the impact of global warming. Moreover, they also learn how a little step can impact the environment greatly. In addition, they also learn about the ice sheets of West Antarctica and if they will melt or not. The story begins with the author on a journey in a Russian vessel. It was headed towards Antarctica. We learn that the author has traveled about 100 hours in a car, aeroplane, as well as the ship. The main objective of this trip is to learn everything in detail about Antarctica. Further, we learn about her 2-week stay there and what all is present there. The place stores 90% of the Earth's total ice volumes with no trees, buildings or anything. It has 24-hour austral summer light. Moreover, it is covered in silence. This makes the author wonder about the time when India and Antarctica were the same land masses. Part we learn about the existence of the southern supercontinent Gondwana. It existed for 650 million years ago. We learn that the climate back then was much warmer and also sustained a huge variety of flora or fauna. All this was before the arrival of human beings. Moreover, for 500 million years, Gondwana flourished. Thus, after the extinction of dinosaurs, the landmass separated into countries as we know today. Moreover, we learn about the reality of climate change. Similarly, the author believes that to study the impact closely, one must make a visit to Antarctica. After that, we learn about Antarctica's ecosystem and how it lacks biodiversity. Moreover, it is the place to observe if you wish to see what consequence a little action can bring about in the environment. If the ozone layer keeps depleting at the present rate, it will impact the lives of the inhabitants of the area, like the sea animals and birds. Moreover, it will also impact the global carbon cycle. We learn about the contributors to climate change, like the burning of fossil fuels and more. All this is damaging the quality of Antarctica, and this may cause immense damage to human life. Moreover, we also learn about it through examples of phytoplankton. Finally, the story ends with the author observing some seals sunbathing on ice. It makes her wonder whether this beauty will be reserved for the years to come, or will the future be catastrophic. Conclusion of Journey to the End of the Earth. To sum up Journey to the End of the Earth summary, we learn in detail about climate change and how it is impacting our lives and of other living beings dangerously. It serves as a wake up call to start working to make the planet a healthier place. Thank you, students.